If you are new to my channel, welcome. It is so wonderful to have you here. And today I'm going to be sharing exactly how to recreate this Kristin Johns inspired makeup look. And if you love Just Found Me because you're a fan of Kristin, I am going to be doing her makeup look, but with all non-toxic products. So if you're looking to clean up your skincare routine, but you still want that beautiful, warm, golden makeup look that Kristin is so famous for, keep watching till the end. And this, my loves, is the before. This is what I've been rocking for 23 days of quarantine. Sweatsuit, unwashed hair, no makeup. I do still do my skincare, but other than that, it's pretty bare bones. And I have found that doing makeup makes me feel so much better, more put together, more productive. So I'm very excited to do this makeup look with you today. I have all the things I need to recreate Kristin's beautiful look. But before we get into that, I have to show you a new little addition to the video. This is my Monstera plant. I haven't shown you this Monstera before, but since we're doing a Kristin Johns video, I had to incorporate a little plant love because she is the best plant mama ever. And she inspired me to do a little leaf shine on my baby, and I watered her, and she's gonna be our buddy for the video. So let's get into it. All the goodies that I need here, but we're gonna start with foundation. Kristin always wears foundation, and she usually does a really bronzy look. Sometimes she goes even a little bit darker than darker with her foundation than I do, and I am pretty pale as a ghost right now. So I'm gonna add a little bit of these Juice Beauty drops to the foundation to make it a little bit darker and more bronzy. Yes, I did pop a zit this weekend. That's why I have a little scar there. I'm definitely gonna be able to cover it up, so it is totally fine. But just a gentle reminder not to pop your zits because they will turn into big, ugly red scars. And it was just a low point in quarantine. I had to do it, and I really, really should not. Okay, so you can kind of see in the palette there, I'm mixing the bronzer with my foundation, and this is my favorite foundation of all time. If you follow me on Instagram, you have probably heard about this Youth Cream Compact Foundation. It just gives you a really nice, I would say medium coverage and a dewy finish, but it doesn't pill, it doesn't ball up. I've had such a hard time finding non-toxic foundations that I really, really love, and this is the only one that I ever suggest to anyone. in the tear duct. Finish it off, I'm going to do a little cat eye liquid eyeliner and double mascara, because Kristin doesn't always, but she uses fake eyelashes a lot, and that is way too advanced for me. So I'm just gonna do 2 coats of my favorite Honest mascara with the primer coat as the first coat. So it'll be 3 coats of mascara to give kind of a falsies look. Thank you, loves, for hanging out with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It means so, so much. And I will see you with a brand new video next Tuesday.